Welcome to the 8th devlog of my multiplayer horror game, The Dog. I hope you're doing well and are ready for today's video. I have to tell you a few things, and while I'm doing this I'll show you some games of the Brecky's Game Jam. So, as you might have read in the title, I'll postpone the development of the game for an unknown period of time, and there are several reasons why I made this decision. First of all, there is a huge problem to sell the game, because I'm not 18 yet, and in Germany things get complicated if you want to sell it under 18, so I'll wait until I turn 18 before finishing it. Well, that was a lot of 18s, but anyways. The next point is that I feel like finishing my book, which is the pillar of my first 3D game, is more important for me, because that's what my dream basically is. I want to turn this small idea I had in my mind when I was 13 finally into a finished book, which I can take as a base for my future projects. But don't get me wrong, I'll really want to finish The Dog someday, but it's not my dream to create a multiplayer horror game, and I think finishing the book will open a lot of possibilities for more creative work in the future. But besides writing my book, I'll participate in game jams and do some smaller side projects, like finishing the ruins of Emigrath or something like this. And that will be the content of this channel. And by the way, we made it to place 62 in the Brecky's Game Jam, which is pretty good for 1800 entries in my opinion. But now let's talk about the last point, which is that I just want to take myself more time for the game and my videos. I tried to upload weekly and did this for I guess 5 weeks, but that's not longer possible, or I don't want to upload it once a week anymore, because it took so much time that I did more or less nothing else than developing and making the video. Of course I played video games, maybe a bit too long as well, but at last I did this together with my friends. So I just want to make it clear, The Dog is not cancelled. I mean, otherwise my mate did this masterpiece for nothing. It's not cancelled at all, I'll just take myself more time and won't put pressure on myself because of weekly uploads. The last thing I want to mention is that there might be The Dog devlogs in the future, but less often, and my focus at the moment is finishing my book. I already have a few smaller projects in my mind and maybe improve my sculpting skills once again, so I might be able to sculpt some of my characters in the book and show you the result. But now, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.